Hello guys, first of all you need to log on to the Microsoft Teams calendar. So either you can download the Microsoft Teams desktop app or the through the online your Microsoft Teams account, Microsoft Office 365 account, you can direct access for the Microsoft Teams, and through that you can select the calendar in it. So once you have clicked in the calendar, the interface it's look like this. And the top right corner you have the plus mark, the new tab, it's mentioned a new meeting, and it has two drop down: schedule meeting and webinars. So you need to click schedule meeting tab, and here you will direct into another interface called new meeting, and here you need to add title, add required attendees, starting time, starting date, end time, and whether you need to repeat day by day, week by week, or the month or year by year, or you can customize according to your need. And if it is a physical meeting, you need to add the location also, and if you need to give any message to the attendees, you can type whatever the message in this box, and you can save the meeting. So make sure to add the attendees. Either you can directly copy paste from your relevant address book, or if it is in the Excel list, you can copy and paste the Excel list to here also. Right, I'm closing this one. Right, if you need to have the webinar for the larger crowd, that also appearing like this: your title, and the presenters, starting time, date, and ending time and end date also. And also you need to write down the mention whatever the message you need to enter here. And in the Microsoft Teams, they have introduced to have the registration form of attendees. So let's see what was that particular form and how it's gonna be. On your screen, left hand side, you need to mention the event details, title, and you need to set the exact date, time, and the message, and also you need to add the speakers also. So after setting that relevant part, you can have the registration form for the webinar. So you can get the first name, last name, and email. These are the compulsory field, and through that you can add some other field also if you are willing to take the address. So you can select whether it's a required one or the non-required one, and based on that you can add and customize your Google form. This one you can use in a future purposes. Once you're setting a meeting or webinar, so you can use this form also. And also you can add upload image for the relevant Google form also. So after setting up all the things, make sure to save the campaign. And also you can copy the registration link, and you can send it to relevant several medias to share it among the attendees.